Good morning, Clay Thompson here at Guarantee RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2018 Lance 650 truck camper. This is the Lance 650, made for the short box and or some of the half-ton pickups. Nice lightweight camper, easy to step into. The galley area, we got a nice little 2-burner cooktop, little sink here. Overhead cabinetry, microwave. This one has solar on the roof, tankless water heater, all your controls on the wall here. The acrylic dual pane windows that open up all the way out on both sides. Equipped with the TV, DVD, CD, big queen bed up front, fan above for ventilation. Got the speakers for the when we play the TV and DVD mode, or for our stereo in the bed area. Nice big cozy bed, nice comfortable dinette area, roof air conditioning, fantastic fan just outside the bathroom area. Nice big acrylic screen here with the shade there, makes it real nice, and the window pushes out for accessibility. Overhead cabinetry. This dinette makes into a bed. Nice large grab handle on the outside. Before we walk out the door here, we show you the bathroom. And as we get outside, the large assist handle, exterior patio awning, screen door. The shuts, lets the breeze in if we want to let the breeze in as we're sitting in the back area. Keyless entry, 1 5-gallon propane tank there, rear plug-in access and satellite park cable access here. Our gate valves down below here. The Atwood heavy corner power jacks. Exterior speakers. This one has the optional side awning. Patio light. It's got the nice one-piece end cap. This has been reduced from the MSRP sticker price because it is an 18. That is a very good price on this camper, the way it's equipped. As I mentioned, the tankless water heater and our outside shower, shore cord plug-in with our connections up underneath here for our fresh water and and black tank flush. A little outside compartment here for some storage. Is a little lightweight, small camper made for the smaller truck, so you don't need that great big one. So everybody gets an option of a camper if you have the right size truck. If you have any questions, we have a lot of campers in stock. Be happy to help. Again, it's Clay Thompson with Guarantee RV Center, and my direct line is 541-979-1770. Make sure you call me. I'll be happy to set up some time to have you either call or come in and show you around at our inventory. Thank you and have a great day.